So for today, I'm going to teach you how to buy Dogecoin on your Coinbase wallet. So first, you need to open or launch your Coinbase application. And after you open your application you can now proceed on buying the Dogecoin by clicking the buy button on your leftmost screen. And after that, you need to change your network into Dogecoin. So basically, just select it and utilize the search bar by searching for the Dogecoin. And after you select your network, make sure that under the buy is you will select that Doge because we are buying the Dogecoin. And after that, you need to tender an amount of how much Dogecoin you wanted to buy. And after that, you can now proceed on the payment method, which is under the buy section, which is you will see the pay with. When you click it, there are a bunch of options, which is here are the list of all the providers accepted, which is the debit card, credit card, or P2P bank transfer. So, after you finalize all of it, you can just click continue to payment. And that's how you buy Dogecoin on your Coinbase wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.